Hello friends, welcome to Matrices online class. In today's class, we are going to look at what solution of simultaneous equations by matrices. Now, in our previous class, we have treated solution of what simultaneous linear equation using inverse method of solving matrices. But today, we are going to look at a man called Crammer's rule. So we are going to use Crammer's rule to solve this simultaneous linear equation on the board. So, and how do we do that? First of all, you need to write down the augmented matrices. The augmented matrices. What do we mean by augmented matrices? To write this thing so that it will be in a matrices form. Okay, now let's start. Solution. Now, what do we have here? We have 3. What do we have here? We have 5. What do we have here? We have 2. What do we have here? We have -3. So you write it. It will be like this. Into what are we looking for? We are looking for what? X and what? Y. X, Y. And it's equal to what? We have it as 9 minus 13. So which will give us this. That is 10. So you assign any alphabet of your choice to this. I have assigned A. A is equal to this. First, after writing the augmented matrices, the next step is what? Find what we call A determinant. Now let's go. A determinant is equal to, you always remember, this to this, which is 3 times minus 3 minus 2 times 5, 2 times 5. This times this minus this times this, which you have that A determinant is equal to -9 minus what? 10. So which our A determinant is equal to minus what? 19. And that is our A determinant. Now, we're going to look for AX. We are going to look for, because we are looking for S, we call it what? AX. And what do we do? Because we want to get AS, we close this. This is XY. This is XY. SY. We close the S column and take this number 9 and -3 to form S again. New X. So we have it as what? AX is equal to. Now what do we have? We have this one will be 9, 13, 5, what? -3. What do we have here? 9 minus 13. What? And 5 what? Minus what? 3. So that is 10. So that is what we have. So now when you do that, what do we do again? Find AX determinant. And our AX determinant, this time this minus this time this, which is now 9 times -3 minus into bracket 5 times -13. Close it. And what do we have? What do we have here? 9 times 3 is 27. So we have that our AX determinant is equal to -27 minus 15 times 5 times 13. 5 times 13 equal to 65. We have minus into -65. Close it. Minus will give us, this is 27 plus 65. 65 minus 27 plus 38. We have that our AX determinant is equal to what? 38. And what are the rules and regulations? How do we do this? For you to get S, you have that X formula is equal to AX determinant over A determinant. Likewise, Y, which means that our S here is equal to what? 38 divided by what? -19. 38 divided by 19 will give us 2. So finally, we have that our X is equal to -2, and that is X. Okay, now let's continue. So what do we do here? Our S is what? minus 2. Let's wipe here out. Okay. Now we want to get what? AY. AY this. From this place now, you block Y. You now block the Y as column. And what do we have? We have 3, 2. You now write this is equals to 3, 2. You pick this equal sign, this one, and replace it, which is now 9 minus 13. So we have it like this. So what are we looking for? We find the AY determinant. And our AY determinant will be 3 times minus 13 bracket minus into 2 times 9, close it. So 13 multiplied by 3 will give us 39. We have here 39 minus 2 times 8. 2 times 9 will give us 18, which is what? 18. So we have that AY determinant is equals to 39 minus 18. 39 minus 18 equals to 21. What do we have here? 20 what? Now let's go. Yes. Three times this will give us what? 3 times 39. 3 times 13 equals to 39. Want to minus 39. This is minus 39. Minus 39 minus this give us 39. Which will give us 57. So this is it. Our AY determinant is equals to minus 5, 7. And what are we looking for? We are looking for what? Y. And how do we get Y? We only get Y by saying that Y is equals to AY determinant over what? A determinant. Which our AY here is what? Minus AY determinant is minus 15 over what? Minus what? 19. So divide it by 19 to give us 3. Hence, Y is equal to this will cancel. Y is equal to 3. Finally, you can now have it that you can now say hence X equals to what? Minus 2. Y equals to what? 3. And that is the solution. So if you substitute them here, you are going to get 9. Let's try it. 3 times 2 will give us 6. It give us what? 6. 6 plus 3. Okay, 3 times minus 2 will give us minus 6. 5 times 3, which is y, will give us what? 15. Is it equal to 9? This to this will give us 9 is equal to 9. So the answer, it is what? Correct. And that is how to use what? Use Crammer'S rule to solve simultaneous linear equation. And I hope you are okay with it. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Matrices online class. Bye.